This question is everywhere. Will AI take your programming job? Or is it just hype? In 2025, this question is rampant, and today I'm giving you the real answer. AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot are now writing codes faster than ever. Some people think this means programmers will lose and become useless. But here is the truth. AI is great at generating snippets of code, but it does not understand context, system design, or problem solving the way humans do. Think about it. AI can suggest solutions, but it cannot sit in a meeting with clients, understand business needs, and translate that into a complete system. And that is where you as a programmer are still critical. What AI is really doing is shifting skills that matters. The best developers in 2025 are the ones who learn to work with AI, not against it. That is why fields like generative AI, prompt engineering, and AI integration are becoming some of the hottest tech skills to learn right now. Instead of replacing programmers, AI is upgrading them. So no, AI is not here to take your job. It is here to transform it. The real risk is ignoring this change while others adapt. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe to HiScript Academy, because I will show you exactly how to use AI, coding, and machine learning to build your future career.